Welcome back. As of now, the Goa Cricket Association is led by Dr. Shekhar Salkar. GCA President Balu Phadke has gone on an indefinite leave. Balu says he has a lot of assignments from the BCCI and that's the reason Salkar will head GCA as acting president. However, he is yet to resign. Dr. Salkar will announce new team by Wednesday and be on the job. There was a lot of pressure from GCA and SAG on Balu to quit the post of GCA following Prudent Commission report on the ticket gate.
Balu stood up and he said that he is going on a long leave and to hand over the charge to me. So which I took immediately. Then I continued the meeting. But actually, सगळे जे setting आसा म्हणजे team कितें आसतली म्हजी that I will declare maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on म्हणजे finalize करपा जाय म्हाका plan of action सगळी finalize करून maybe Tuesday or Wednesday I will come back to you.
We spoke with Balu. He said Salkar has been appointed as an acting president. Balu also stressed that he has still not resigned from the key post. He is on indefinite leave, claiming workload of some BCCI assignments.
No, he is acting president.
He is acting president.
I am gone on leave. Leave गेला.
तुम्ही can अजून तुम्ही officially अजून हे करूंक ना नी?
No, I have told officially that तेका आता acting president म्हणून charge दिला हांवें.
केन्ना पर्यंत तुम्ही leave राहता?
That depends on my assignment.
Sports Authority of Goa had issued show-cause notice to the cricketing body on August 27 for failure to adhere to the recommendations of Justice Pune Commission. There was pressure from all sides demanding resignation of Balu. Sources from GCA says Balu has opted to isolate himself from GCA following pressure from the state authorities. Onkar Farari for Prudent.
The first goal within 6 minutes by FC Goa complicated our chances to win. FC Pune City head coach Frank Colomba admitted during post-match presser on Saturday. FC Goa head coach Zico says Goa's game plans are decided on match-to-match basis. He also admitted that FC Goa missed many chances to goal and were lucky enough to click twice. FC Goa beat FC Pune City by 2-0 and has reached on 4th position. FC Goa will take on Kerala Blasters FC on 26 November at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Fatorda.
FC Goa staged remarkable recovery from 7th position to 4th in the ISL with an important victory over FC Pune City on Saturday evening. A goal in each half was enough for the Goan team to move into the top 4 bracket. FC Pune City coach Frank Colomba admitted that it was FC Goa's day.
I think this match complicated immediately because Goa scored 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, after the team not good reaction immediately.
FC Goa head coach Zico, though happy with the win and elevation, indicated that team's performance wasn't impressive enough and needed improvement.
So in Pune, we had so many opportunities, we created so many opportunities, 2 balls in the post and we couldn't score. And they went there, a few opportunities, they scored and they won the game. So they had the opportunity, ball, post and everything, they didn't score. And we went there, we scored. So
FC Goa will take on Kerala Blaster FC on 26 November at Fatorda Stadium. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.